Oh, man. So, dude, it's good to have you here. You haven't been here in probably a couple of years, right?
Way too long, at least 2 years.
Yeah.
I'm overdue, man. It's time. It's time. And I'm glad to be black. I mean, to be back. And yeah.
And you're both.
And you got one of my favorite restaurants in this town. You know, I ain't trying to give a plug, but Cracker Barrel. You know, my folks took me there like a week ago, and I had never heard of it before. But I wasn't gonna go. You know, because I'm from the South Side of Chicago, and I don't really go. You mess around with no crackers. And especially a whole barrel full of crackers. That's a lot of crackers. I just wasn't fooling around. No, we sat outside 20 minutes. We drove around 4 times. I'm not going to Cracker Barrel. They said, we're going to Cracker Barrel. I said, I'm not going in Cracker Barrel. But then you get there, you know, because you think it's called crackers. It's going to be white folks talking bad to black folks. It's the opposite. They so nice to you, you think they up to something. You don't know what's going on. Oh, man, I went in there. They had blueberry pancakes. The blueberries are so juicy. You bite into them, the juice just shooting your mouth. And then the pancakes so light and fluffy, they had to put syrup on them to keep them from floating to the ceiling. You hear me? It was fantastic. I love the Cracker Barrel. It was off the chain.
That is awesome.
And it's rough because I'm on a diet too, because I didn't have to go in there because they got candy. They got every candy. They
ever made.
Sugar Baby and Sugar Daddy. They got moon pies in a box, you know. But I'm trying to lose some of this weight, so I'm dieting. I got a nutritionist now, and he's got me off all the white out my diet. No sugar, no salt, no flour, no white people. And then he got me jumping rope. And you know, if you jump rope 10 minutes a day, that's just 3 songs. 10 minutes a day is the equivalent of 30 minutes of jogging. You know, now I've had a rope 7 weeks. I ain't jumping yet. It's been sitting there. I hopped over it though when I came out of the room. Over here. But what they really got me on is something called a cleanser. A super cleanser. Have you ever heard of super cleanser?
Is this that thing with the lemon juice and the cayenne pepper?
No, these are pills.
Oh, these are pills.
And it cleanses your colon. Apparently, we got a thing in us called a colon. Okay, this thing is 30 feet long. I'm 5'9". This thing is 30 feet long. And as you eat, all the food go through this thing. So like the pipes under your sink. You know how the water go through and sediment holds on to the side and builds up. When you got that in your body, the food for years. Technically, we all full. I'm just saying. I'm not. I'm going to the bathroom 8, 9 times a day. You know, but the good news is.
So if you have to get up here in a few minutes, we'll know. Exactly.
But I'm not. It means I got something to do. But I'm not farting. I tell you that because I'm scared. If I think I'm gonna fart, I'll run out of here so fast. I don't know what's happening.
Dude, I've reached that age. Never trust a fart, my friend.
Yes, sir.